welcome back to my channel. So today what we're gonna do is I found some makeup at my local department store that was on, it was already on sale, and then it was like on sale, you know, it was like 40% off the sale price. So we're gonna test these products. The boxes are a little beat up, or the unit cartons are a little beat up, but I will, I'll let you know how much it was originally, how much it was discounted to, and then how much more discount I got, so we know how much it was. So yeah, we'll just get started. I did not get a primer, so I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Blur Stick. This is the transparent. All right, now I'm going to use the CoverGirl Simply Ageless Anti-Aging Primer on the rest of my face. Okay, so the first thing we're going to use, what do I do with that? I have a system and it's very strange and I get it, but I gotta do me. All right, so the first thing I have is the Clinique Perfectly Real Makeup. I have the number 2 shade. It says number 2 shade. This is for dry combination to combination oily. So primarily mostly for combo skin. This was originally at my department store $22. It was discounted to $18.97 and I got it for $8.07. But this is what it looks like. I hope this is a good shade for me. I guess we're gonna find out.
Just enough to create skin's most natural look, only better. Uses micropigment technology so it blends with skin's varying undertones, neutralizes imperfections, looks real yet flawless in any light, feels like nothing at all.
We shall see how this works. I'm gonna use my Eco Tools sponge to apply this. My nose is running all of a sudden. It looks like it'll be okay. An okay match. It smells kind of old. This is very, very sheer. Very light coverage. It definitely doesn't feel like you're wearing anything. But it also definitely, it's either just like that chemical-y makeup smell or it's just old. This shade's fine for me, but yeah, it's a very sheer light coverage. It doesn't look great right here where I have like dry patches right around my nose. I don't know if you can see that. Honestly, at this point, besides those little dry spots, I don't like the way it smells. I think it's just old. And now it's all over my face. Cool. Hooray. All right, so there also is a concealer, the Clinique Advanced Concealer. I got shade number 1 in Matte Light. Oh, this was originally $17. It was discounted to $12.97 and I got it for $7.23. This will be a long-lasting creamy matte concealer, has advanced camouflage something, finger dot and gently blend. So we shall. This is what it looks like. It's just a little squeezy tube. I'm at this age now where matte underneath the eyes is not doing me any favors because I've got the under eye wrinkles I feel like I need something just a little more natural or dewy, because the matte just really accentuates the lines under my eyes, I feel like. Yeah. And it's just sitting in there too. Cool. That you definitely don't want to just let it sit there, because it does not want to blend now. Luckily this sponge is wet. It doesn't want to blend out very well. Alright, yeah, that's definitely too dry looking under my eyes. It totally accentuates my old lady under eye lines. Foundation is settling into my forehead lines as well. Sometimes you gotta take a chance on stuff that's on sale, on like super duper clearance, because you just never know. And the only powder I have presently is the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. This is in Buff Beige. I'm gonna have a very light hand with this. I'll do the rest of my face makeup, and then I will come back and we will do the next 3 products. Okay, now it's time for eyes. And I got this Estee Lauder Pure Color NB Single Shadow Defining Eyeshadow Wet Dry. It's in color number 17, Fearless Petal. This was originally, I don't know how much it was originally, but the sales sticker said $9.96 and I got it for $4.24. But I don't know how much it retails for, like, originally. But it's this little it's this purple color. So that I'm going to work into this look. I'm gonna use the Rimmel Magnifies Nude Edition to substitute this look. I'm gonna go in with 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5th shade, this one right here, as a transition shade, 5th shade from the left. I've used all Luxie brushes except for the e.l.f. angled blush brush that I used for my blush. Pretty much all the other brushes you see me use will be Luxie. Oh, this is the e.l.f. eye crease brush. I'm gonna use this with a little bit darker shade, this one, to deepen the crease a little bit. Okay, I am going to take this purple shade and put it on the lid. I'm gonna use my finger because it's very soft, but it doesn't want to come off on the brush. So, it came off on my finger. This is very, ooh. Now that's purple and sparkly. It's pretty though. This e.l.f. blending eye brush, and I'm gonna go into this sort of blue color here on the end. I'm gonna use that in the outer V. crease brush again. And this very light shade here, I'm gonna put on the brow bone. I'm gonna take Young Love out of the Naked Cherry palette, and I'm gonna put that on the lower lash line. Actually, I'm gonna go in with Devilish first, this dark one right here. Concealer is really just sitting in my under eye wrinkles. Okay, there we go. And this is the Clinique Skinny Stick. It was originally $14. I got it for $5.95. And it is in Olive, number 4 Olive. I'm gonna put this in the waterline. Like to stay in the waterline super great, but gives a little pop of color there. All right, I'm going to do liner and lashes off camera, and I will be back for lips. All right, so the last product I have is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade In Demand. I had some of these before. This was originally $20.50, and I got it for $6.97. I had some of these when I was in San Diego. This is a little dried out. I loved these before when I had them, but this one's dried out. It's a pretty color. It'd be nice to have one that's not like dried out and gross. So, we'll recap. I used the Clinique Perfectly Real makeup. I'm in the shade 2. I don't mind it. It's very light coverage. I don't have things that I really need to cover. I have this red spot I didn't cover very well, but that's okay. I've got a few little bumps up here that it actually did cover, so this I'm not mad at. This is okay. The only problem I have with this one is I'm a little nervous that it's expired because of the way it smells. But this is 1 fluid ounce, so not bad. I got it for $8. It's cheaper than some of the drugstore foundations these days. The next thing I had was the Clinique Advanced Concealer. I'm gonna pass on this. This is the lightest shade, and I feel like it wasn't light enough for me. Also, it just froze, and all of there's like little dots here that I couldn't get smoothed out from where I dotted it on my face, like it says too on here. Use sparingly, finger dot, gently blend. Long lasting creamy matte concealer. So it is definitely matte. So if you have dry under eyes or like under eye texture, pass on this also. But I won't use this again. I'm glad it was only $7 instead of what was it originally? I said 17. And then what was next? Oh, the Estee Lauder eyeshadow. I love this. It's so pretty. This purple color is so pretty. I will keep this in my collection and work it into some more looks. I really like it. This green eyeliner, it's not in the box. I'm holding the box. Where did it go? It's very thin. Wherever it went. I like it. It doesn't stay in the waterline very well, so I'll see what it looks like either on the lower lash line or on the upper lash line. But I'm willing to give this a few more chances. This I won't put on my mouth again because it's dried out and it feels pretty awful. I loved these when I had them before, so this is something I think I realize now that I already know that I like. It's supposed to have 8-hour wear. I like a matte liquid lipstick. That's kind of what I'm into. So if I find this in other shades that are fresh and not old, I will definitely pick these up. These I already know I liked. I just got a bad one, so I'm not sad about that. So overall, not bad. Luckily, I didn't spend a whole lot of dollars on that, but definitely the little purple eyeshadow is definitely my favorite. Foundation is good, but again, I'm not sure if it's expired or not, or if that's just the way it smells. So yeah, those are my thoughts. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.